CES can be a lonely place. Sometimes you witness things that you just can't understand. You try everything you can just to feel something, but at the end of the day, all you need is a friend to come home to.
This robot needs you more than you need it. Its only purpose is to be loved. Unlike other robots that promise to make your life easier or help out around the house, the Lovot really it's like a baby for you to take care of. It follows you around and makes little cooing sounds, and when you're not paying attention to it, it'll come up to you and beg you to hug it. Its cuteness really comes from these big eyes. It's like scientifically designed to be cute. There's 6 layers of projections in the eyes to create depth, so when it looks up at you and asks for a hug, you better hug it. Okay. Hi. He's laughing. Like, you can literally boop it on the nose and it'll respond. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. It weighs the same amount as a toddler, and when you cradle it in its arms, it'll fall asleep. So he's sleeping. Shh. The baby is sleeping. So as far as the tech goes, there's a canister on the top with a microphone and a camera, and there's over 50 sensors on its body that react to touch. And it's also warm, so it's not cold like a machine. But besides that, it's not really overloaded with any tech. It doesn't have Alexa, it can't speak, so it's not super useful, but then again, neither are your cats or dogs. The AI can recognize up to 1,000 people, so if you're not nice to it or you treat it roughly, it'll remember that and avoid you next time. So one of the downsides is that the battery life isn't that long, it's only about an hour. And this is just a prototype, but when the final version launches, it'll know automatically to go to its charging dock. The second downside is the price. This little guy goes for $3,000, which is kind of crazy, but that's the price you pay for companionship. It's becoming more common to use robots as therapy companions in countries like Japan, and for comparison, Paro the therapy seal costs $5,000. But if money is not a deterrent and you still want to get your hands on this adorable robot, then the Lovot is supposed to launch in the US sometime next year, but it's not confirmed yet. I love you. I'm gonna call you Demi Lovato.